Today's needs and current assembly trends have caused us to reinvent the way we tighten things.
Wir haben den PowerFocus6000 getestet und an verschiedenen Stellen getestet, dass wir eben mobiler sind, auch höhere Qualitäten haben. Hier müssen wir absolute Qualität ausliefern können.
The PowerFocus6000 controller, together with our tools and accessories, gives you intuitive assembly feedback close to the operator. And our new True Angle feature uses a gyro to read operator movement, thereby eliminating operator influence.
We are challenged to have a very good traceability and documentation of special screw connections.
And that's exactly what the PowerFocus6000 does. Together with ToolsNet, you can keep tabs on the assembly and store tightening data at the same time. You're also able to perform a tightening analysis. With our user-friendly human-machine interface, or HMI, you'll benefit from faster setup and configuration times, as well as reduced training requirements. The PowerFocus6000 is user-friendly in 12 languages. And with the new Intelligent Application Module, IAM, you'll have a portable module for software, tightening configurations, and results in the palm of your hand. It's not only easy to upgrade, but it acts as a quick data backup. In a word, simple.
Flexibility is one key factor we have to realize in this assembly line, but also ergonomic.
Our TurboTight feature lets the tool absorb reaction forces, significantly improve ergonomics for the operator, and shorten cycle times. The PowerFocus6000 allows you to connect cable tools and battery tools to the same controller, offering greater flexibility while reducing installation time, energy, training, and inventory costs. The ability to connect a number of different battery tools makes it a highly flexible and mobile fastening system.
Und ich bin völlig losgelöst und frei, mich im Raum zu bewegen. Ich denke, diese Flexibilität ist das Wichtige.
With the PowerFocus6000 system, Atlas Copco introduces its new virtual station feature.
One controller for a set of tools. It saves place next to the assembly line, and of course it also saves cost in processes.
A virtual station is a software abstraction of a physical controller to behave like multiple controllers. Each virtual station can be connected to one tool and one or more accessories. Each tool behaves and is configured just as if it had its own controller. By using virtual stations, an operator can operate multiple tools and run various tasks using the same controller.
And this is the payback we see with this tool generation.
At the end of the day, ease of use, superior quality control, and flexible integration makes the PowerFocus6000 system a sustainable and profitable tightening solution.